It's really stable.
I highly recommend it.
This ceiling storage,
Then I can sort. It was pretty easy. I'll probably get another one.
See, this way is going to be easy because I can use my right hand to draw to write. I suck in my left hand. It's really stable. Like, I can bounce around. It's not flexing or anything, right? Nothing. Yeah. I think I'm ready to load some stuff up here. Let's do it. So much stuff up here. It does flex a little bit. It does flex a little bit down here. You can kind of see the mesh flexing, but the steel itself is not going anywhere.
4-foot by 8-foot garage storage rack. I install a lot of different racks at different customers' houses, and this is kind of my favorite one. It's sitting nicely. Homeowner's gonna load it up here pretty shortly. The only issues I really ran into is once you get everything lined up, you got to maybe push and pull a little bit to get some of the screws to go in, but that's kind of to be expected with all the stuff that's going on. So just be patient. If the screw's not going in, just make sure you're pushing up. Basically look through the hole, make sure it's lined up completely. But for the money you pay for this thing and how big and sturdy it is, I highly recommend it.
FLEXIMOUNTS is a U.S. company dedicated to providing effortless storage and organizing solutions for garage and home. This ceiling storage rack is amazing, you guys. Seriously, I highly recommend. Make sure you guys go check out FLEXIMOUNTS. Everything is down in the description box below. You guys are not going to want to miss out on this. This is the perfect addition for spring cleaning, organizing, decluttering, especially in your garage, because you want to be able to pull into your garage. And this is perfect because we can bring this into our barn when we move in a few months, and it will be going into the new house as well.
So I am finally done with this overhead storage shelf. Overall, I gotta say, it looks really nice. I think the look, the color, everything is really good. It does come in white also, so check out their links, see what else they offer. And to add on to it, the install was fairly simple. The hardest part had to be anchoring into the wood, the 2x4. Just make sure you guys are going into the wood and not the drywall, because this can get ugly real quick. It won't hold that weight if you're in drywall, so make sure you're anchored in correctly. I got lucky because my ceiling has markings all throughout, showing you exactly where the wood is. I mean, I cross-checked, double-checked, I drilled in, and it's holding on very good. So yeah, let's go ahead and put everything on top and show you guys how well it holds up. Now, if you're wondering if I trust that holding up there, I do. Otherwise, I would not be parking my prized possession right below it.
Really, I'm pleased with it because I really empty my garage. I have plenty space now. I can feel free when I park my car, and my kids, they can go in and out. More space for me and everything, it's up there. And I think there's nothing to complain. It's beautiful. I will enjoy it. And once a year to put it up and down, it's out of my way.
There you have it, folks. The FLEXIMOUNTS 4x8 garage storage rack. Super easy to put up there. It's adjustable to whatever height you want. I am putting the totes up there, and I wanted to be able to walk under it still, so I set it like 23 or 24 inches, and I can slide those totes up there and get it to fit just perfect. But I am stoked about this. They've got both black and white colors. We went the black, but they do have white available as well. Y'all, this is a great, great option if you're looking for roof storage.
All right, guys, there it is. Check it out. That's pretty cool. And I got the height adjusted that I can put storage bins, 2x4s, whatever I want to stick up there. I like this height because I can walk underneath it. I can still put the car under here. And this thing holds a lot of weight. Check it out. I weigh about 190. And it'll hold me no problem. So it's very durable. And that weight's distributed across the whole thing, so yeah, you can put some weight up there. Check this out. Also also put 2x4s up there. I got a bunch of wood over here. All right, guys, I'm really digging this rack. This is cool. There's still room up there. There's a few inches, so I probably could have gone just a little higher. All right, guys, that rack system is awesome.
When you open the garage door,
now it's all out of the way. You
now
don't even see it.
it's out of the way, you don't see it, and the only thing is if you want to get stuff down, you'll have to shut your garage door.
Right.
So
Yeah, I think it's good.
I think we'd highly recommend it. I think I'll probably get another one because I've still got a lot of stuff in my garage. Now this will hold a lot of stuff, but I still got more stuff I need to put up.
And I think they have they offer a mechanical one too, don't they, for a lower ceiling?
Yeah, they do. For like if it's a 9-foot or lower ceiling,
Right.
it's got one that you can actually take your drill and it's got a gear which will just come up and down like that.
That'd be really good for especially older people or people that aren't comfortable climbing a ladder. That'd be real good for that because then they can just run it down, load it up, and run it back up.
Yeah, so you need one.
Yeah.
This would be really good. You know what else I might put up here is like the old paints and stuff that we've got.
Yeah, that we're never going to
That
use.
we'd never rarely ever need because I don't want to have to be going up here all the time.
No.
And then I can sort out some of my cabinets. We might do that.
All right.
Tomorrow
Move the...
we'll clear everything out and then get actual boxes. But the idea for this is when we're in between RVs like we are now, we know when we get a new RV, we just come straight up here, pull everything off here, and it's done.
Yes.
Same with the van when we unloaded the van. So that's really the idea of this, which is cool. And I'm 5'10".
Yep.
Plenty of space.
Yes.
We had to lower it a little bit as well to get these brackets on, so you can easily walk under it. Obviously, that depends on the height of your ceiling in your garage. But, you know. Okay, I'm pretty cool. I really like this. I think this is cool.
This was pretty easy to install. I thought the hardest part was probably getting the rack up by myself. So if you have an extra hand to help you, I definitely urge that. But other than that, it's extremely strong. Holds up to 600 pounds. And like I said, this is 4 foot by 8 foot long. 22 inches down to 40 inches. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find this. And once again, hit that like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.